examples of sentences with future time clauses. Future time clauses start with time words such as after, as soon as long as, once, before, when, until, unless, in case. We use a time clause to show that an event will happen at a certain time. For example, when I get home, I'll call you. So first, I will get home, and then I will call you. Notice that in time clauses we use present simple to talk about the future, and that's why we say, before I go to bed, I'll read a book. We don't say, before I'll go to bed, I'll read a book. Here are some more examples. As soon as I get the news, I'll call you. Once you meet Paul, you love him. When you arrive, you will see it. As long as the film starts on time, I will be happy. We can also change the order of clauses and use will at the beginning of the sentence. The door will shut as soon as you push the button. They will finish their homework before the film starts. Tim will wait for you until you're back. I'll be here in case you need me. Now, let's do some exercises. So, that's it for the video. As usual, I hope it was useful, and I'll see you in the next one.